Hello, I'm Nick Duddy, and if you randomly came across this video, let me introduce myself. I am the instigator of the Data Workers Slack group, founder of Meritrix, a search marketing agency, and I like to challenge the way we do marketing. This has led me to create a whole bunch of videos on how to teach Python to marketers, to show you guys how to improve your workflow, improve your results, and just generally have happier jobs with less data analysis. But from the data workers community, a few people have come back to me and said, I don't really understand why I should be learning Python. So over the next few videos, I'm going to explain how I came to find Python, why I think it's amazing, and why I think pretty much if you work with data in marketing, you're going to have to know Python or another coding language in order for your skills to stay relevant in the future, with machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning coming into play. So check out the videos. If you have any comments or you disagree, stick it in the comments. I don't mind. We'll chat it out. So check out the videos and let me know.